characteristics of this animal do you admire, which is most like yours?
Right, which characteristics of a donkey do I most admire that is much like mine? If I was to ask my husband that question, I know what he would say, and he would say stubbornness. He would say stubbornness, and that's the thing about me. I must admit, there are times when I can be quite stubborn, particularly with my husband. Sometimes if I get something into my head, I will fudge, you know, and I'll just stick with what I'm thinking, and that's that. But it's great because he doesn't have the characteristics of a donkey, so we balance each other. So,
of course.
when I'm being a bit stubborn, he's not, and then it helps me to reflect and think, okay, yeah, maybe I should change my mind and come round to his way of thinking. So I guess, yeah, it's the stubbornness of a donkey, and sometimes it's a good thing to be stubborn, because sometimes, you know, there are certain things where you have to hold your ground if you think something's really important. So it's good, you know, not to always be swayed, but then ultimately you do need to balance it out. So it's not too good to be like a, too stubborn. Thank you.